Welcome to the introduction of our series, The Rise of Intelligent Machines. Mechatronics, blending mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering, has been a cornerstone of modern technology. Now, a new wave of innovation is upon us, with artificial intelligence, or AI, rapidly changing the landscape of countless industries, with mechatronics being no exception. Unlike traditional systems that operate on pre-programmed instructions, AI empowers these systems with learning and decision-making capabilities. Imagine a robotic arm on a production line that not only performs tasks with precision, but also identifies and corrects errors in real time. The integration of AI into mechatronics is revolutionizing industries from manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and beyond. Today, we will delve into the specific applications of AI in mechanical systems, showcase recent innovations, and explore the future trends shaping this exciting field. Understanding the role of AI in mechatronics is crucial, particularly for students preparing to enter this rapidly evolving landscape. Now let's explore AI in action and how it's transforming mechanical systems. One key application is in predictive maintenance. Traditionally, maintenance was reactive, addressing issues after they arose and potentially causing costly downtime. Now, AI-powered sensors and algorithms monitor the health of machines in real time, predicting potential failures before they occur. This predictive capability not only minimizes downtime, but also reduces maintenance costs and ensures the smooth operation of critical systems. Consider an autonomous vehicle navigating through traffic. AI algorithms analyze data from cameras, radar, and LiDAR sensors to make split-second decisions related to steering, acceleration, and braking, ensuring a safe and efficient journey. Beyond these examples, AI is also enhancing the precision and efficiency of robotic systems in manufacturing, improving the accuracy of medical devices, and optimizing energy consumption in smart buildings. In our final section, we explore the innovations unleashed by the convergence of AI and mechatronics, leading to groundbreaking technologies that once seemed confined to science fiction. One remarkable example is the rise of collaborative robots, or cobots. AI empowers cobots with advanced perception and learning abilities, enabling them to understand their surroundings, identify objects, and adapt their movements to collaborate safely and effectively with human workers. In healthcare, AI-powered exoskeletons are restoring mobility to individuals with physical disabilities. Advancements in AI-driven computer vision are also revolutionizing